What's up, y'all? JT here with a quick unboxing and look at this JEGS Torch monster truck. So this is just the same as the Sin Racing trucks, except for it has a different body and stuff on it, but they're almost exactly identical. These do not come with ball bearings in the wheels or anything, but they do have ball bearings in the transmission. So some of you guys were able to get this when they had a pretty good sale going on with them. But what I do like about this, that it does come with a 3S speed controller, or 3S capable speed controller. You can do 2 or 3S or a nickel metal on it. And it's got a 550 size torque motor on there as well. You guys see all that down there with this 12 kilogram servo, etc. Blah, 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 yada, yada. You can actually run 6 volts on the servo, which is pretty good. So I'll see how it is when I get this out the box. I doubt I'll turn it up. I'll probably just leave it as it is right now. And it does basically come ready to run minus the battery and stuff for it. So they do have this version, and they also have a yellow version of this as well, another truck as well, but went ahead and pulled the trigger on this. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get this open, and we're going to take a look. All right, so pulling this out, of course, doesn't look like that. So look at that. That actually looks pretty cool. That's actually, it's been a minute since I've had one of these solid axle monster trucks. Last one I had was the Axial Gravedigger a while back. And now I have this one, and actually this is actually looking pretty cool. You guys know I kind of love orange colored cars, and this is actually going on the shelf. So you guys see the way this looks. This actually looks really good, actually. So the suspension, that's not too bad. We'll take it out and we'll run it stock out the box. We'll just do 2S. I did see a 3S running video, and it was popping wheelies on 2S, but we're just gonna run this on 2S and not run this on 3S. But there you guys see there, I love these tractor trailer type tires. It just reminds me when I was a kid, got my Monster Beetle for Christmas, and I was doing this all day. I think I wore those spike tires on the Monster Beetle on the first day I actually took it out and ran it. But this looks good. So real quick, look, you do get a bag of goodies here. You get some stickers and instruction manual, and then you do get some tools and stuff in there, which is good. I'm glad they're including tools with their kits, because a lot of manufacturers have not been including tools with their kits, which they should. And then you get a 2.4 gigahertz radio, which you guys see here. It's got all the bells and whistles and trims and stuff on them, which is good. It fits good in the hand. It's fine for what it's worth. I know some people said they had issues with these type of radios. I don't think you will, especially with this vehicle running brushed. I think if you're doing speed runs and stuff like that, trying to get a far distance, you may want to switch out, but you won't be doing that with these. But anyway, this uses 4 AA's and stuff in there, and it's got, like I said, all the bells and whistles and trims on. It should be fine for this monster truck and what I'm going to be doing with it. And I'm probably going to leave this just basically stock. I probably won't even go brushless with it, because I don't have a need for a truck of this size going brushless and doing 40-50 miles per hour. I mean, that's just going to be crazy for this. But let me get this body off real quick, because it's got these little ouchie, is what I call them, ouchie body clips, especially when it's cold outside. You're trying to get these out, it gets stuck all up between your fingernails and all that. So let me get these body clips off of here real quick. All right, there you guys go with the body off, and that's a look at that. That's the speed control there. That is waterproof, and that's 2 and 3S capable. You can run nickel metal on there too, and it's got Dean's connectors and stuff on there. Here's going to be your battery tray. Basically, you just take this clip off the back and you can slip this up. I'm probably going to end up putting a Velcro strap in here somewhere in there to make that just a little bit easier, instead of having this kind of adjusting this back and forth. But we'll get it running at first to see how it is. You guys see the shocks on here. You do need spacers on here to adjust the tension and stuff of the shocks. But I believe these are oil-filled shocks. They should be oil-filled shocks. They look like they are. I hear a little bit of squeaky squeak in there. So with that, so I do see several things. I believe you can put a bearing in here instead of that bushing there with that. But we're going to run this straight out the box. This actually looks pretty good. And I believe you can do 4-wheel steering on this as well. I think you just take some of the components that you can build the front end with and then put that on the rear, and then possibly get a stronger servo. That way you can have 4-wheel steering with this. But we'll maybe tackle that at some point in time. Maybe in the future. I kind of like it just as it is, but if I want that realistic monster truck look, I'm probably going to want to do that, but we'll see. But that's going to be a quick look at this. I'm not really going to go in depth with this. I mean, you guys see some of the adjustments you can make here. You can adjust the shock positions there. With this, of course, you can do some upgrades to the servo, and there's probably a lot of little minor upgrades you can do to this. I can probably go to the Sin website and look at some of the upgrades, which I'll probably do at some point, to modify this vehicle here, because they get this at a pretty good price, so I'm pretty happy about that. So I didn't have to pay. I think the Sin truck is like $350 or something like that, so I didn't pay that for it. And there's your 550 motor in there, caution hot. But I love it that these things can run 3S. I think all brush cars nowadays, regardless who the company is, it should run 2 and 3S LiPo. I mean, people want to get a little bit more speed. It doesn't matter if this goes 10 miles per hour out the box, and the 3S it goes 18 miles per hour out the box. It's just a feel for it as you're running. Like, yeah, I'm running a 3S LiPo, and look, there go a Velcro strap right there. I'm probably gonna put that Velcro strap right there on here and just eliminate this altogether. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be a quick unboxing and look at this. You guys can probably search on just Google search JEGS RC, and you'll probably come up with several RC cars. I think there's a couple of them still for sale on eBay, so you might be able to get a good deal on one on eBay. I'm not sure, but I think there's 1 or 2 sellers that may have some on eBay, so you can check out there. But that's going to be a look at this. I may get at some point in time the yellow body for this and get the yellow inserts, but I doubt I will. I might just get another set of tires and stuff for it, just to have a backup set just in case. But I'm going to get this out running as soon as I can. I'm probably just going to run it on 2S. I'm not going to worry about 3S, because like I said, the video I saw was popping wheelies and stuff on 2S, and that should be fine for what it is. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks guys for watching.